of the Miami Children's Museum's Theatre Troupe. This month is Hispanic Heritage Month, so we're learning all about the culture, the music, the dancing, and today we are going to learn how to dance the salsa. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Salsa is one of the things that live in the blood of Hispanic culture, and today we're going to learn the simple 4-step move that you need to learn to know basic salsa. Okay, you guys, so it's super simple. We're going to start off with our legs together, and we're going to have a little bit of give in our legs. We're not going to be super straight. We're going to bend them just a little bit so that we have a little bit more motion, a little bit of a bouncy motion. Let me see. Bounce a little bit. Nice. Great. So the first thing we're going to do is we always start with our right foot. So we're going to take a step forward with our right and a mini step with our left. Boop, like that. Awesome. So we're just going to do that. Let's try. And take a step forward with your right, mini step with your left. Nice. Awesome. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and then we're going to come and we're going to bring our right foot back to center. So it's 1, 2, back to center. Nice. Let's try that again. 1, 2, back to center. You guys, you look so good. Ready? Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, back to center. Now, let's focus on our arms a little bit. Normally with salsa, you can dance with a partner or you can dance by yourself and groove. So make sure that you get those elbows moving. Not really like a chicken, but just kind of in the groove. All right? Let's try the first 2 steps again. Ready? 1, 2, back to center. Nice. Now, the next part is the same thing, except we're going back. So we're going to take a step back with our left foot, so our other foot. Taking a step back, mini step with our right foot, and back to center. Let's try that. Step back, mini step, back to center. Step back, mini step, back to center. Step back, mini step, back to center. So it looks like this. 1, 2, back to center. 3, 4, back to center. Great, let's try that. 1, 2, back to center. 3, 4, back to center. How does it look? Amazing! Okay, let's try it a little faster. 1, 2, back to center. 3, 4, back to center. So now we're gonna add a little bit of hips to it. So our hips are going in kind of like a side to side motion. Let's put our hands on our hips and let's move it side to side. We're just gonna bend our legs one at a time and give us a little hip movement. Nice, everybody. And now we're gonna use the same hip movement to move and do our moves. Ready? We're gonna go 1, 2, step together. 3, 4, step together. Nice. Now let's relax our hands. Put them up here like we're ready to dance. Let's try that again. 1, 2, back together. 3, 4, back to center. 1, 2, and together. 3, 4, and together. 1, 2, and together. 3, 4, and together. You guys, that's it. That is the salsa move. Let's see, can we do it a little faster? 1, 2, back together. 3, 4, back together. I think you guys are ready to try it with some music. Alright, you guys, you learned the moves, you learned the steps. Now it's time to put it all together with the music. We're going to start off by bending one knee at a time, feeling the rhythm in our hips, feeling the rhythm in our hands. Alright, now let's do the steps we learned. You ready? 1, 2, 3, let's do it. Front and together and back and together and front. Together and back. Together and front. Together and back. Together and front. Together and back. Together, let's feel some grooves in our hips while we do it. Ready? Front and together, move your hips and back. And together, move your hips and front. And together, move your hips and back. And together, move your hips. Awesome, you guys! You did it! for you guys to teach your friends how to dance salsa. That's it for me for now. Make sure to check back in on all the social media of Miami Children's Museum for more videos. Bye everyone!